Hello friends, welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you guys how you can download and install uTorrent for free on Windows 11. First, open web browser of your choice and go to this website. I'll provide the link on the description. Now, when you're on the web page, just scroll down until you find this option that says uTorrent Classic and then click on the free download. The uTorrent installer file should download automatically and you can just click on it to open it up. If you do get any security prompts, just click on run. Now the uTorrent installation wizard will launch. You can click on next to continue. Now you'll see a warning screen. You can just go ahead and click on next. Then you'll see the license terms. Just go ahead and click on agree and then you'll see some optional offers. I will not recommend this. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on decline. Then you can go ahead and choose some installation options like where you want shortcuts to be created. I'll just deselect this quick launch icon and then click on next. Then you have some option for additional settings and file types. I will just leave this all on default and then click on next. And now the uTorrent installation process will start. Once it's done, you will see the screen that says installation complete. Now if you click on the finish, it will launch the application. And that's how easy it is to download and install uTorrent for free on Windows 11. Hope this guide helps you out.